Hi, I'm Paul, and today we'll be unboxing AstroAI's 2-in-1 jump starter air compressor. It inflates tires, jump starts depleted batteries, and includes tons of accessories. It's a real lifesaver for all types of roadside emergencies that you might run into on your adventures. Now, as you can see, it comes in a sturdy hard shell bag. That's pretty solid. Inside the bag, you'll find all the accessories and manuals you need to use the product. We got a jumper cable, air hose, USB-C cable, and an AC adapter for charging. And this is pretty cool. They printed the instructions right onto the cover so you don't need to worry about using the paper manual. This AstroAI product works as a portable jump starter and an air compressor. It can start vehicles with a 1.5 to 7.5 liter engine and inflates flat tires in minutes so you can get back on the road fast. The product itself features a compartment to store nozzles, a quick connect air hose, and an easy to read screen. This tool has a lot of power to get you back on the road, but instead of me telling you how great this thing is, why don't I show you? Come on. We're here at one of my favorite local trails. I like to deflate my tires a little bit to get better traction on the rough terrain. Using the AstroAI jump starter with air compressor, I'm going to connect the hose and set the mode to inflation. Once I connect the compressor to the tire, the screen will show the tire's current pressure. When I'm ready to get back on the highway, I just set the compressor to my tire's recommended PSI and press the power button to start inflating. In just a few minutes, the pump will automatically shut off and I'll be ready to drive again. The air hose can warm up during inflation, so make sure it's cool enough to handle before you remove it. Now, if you left your headlights on or your battery's dying, you might need to jump. But even if you're in the middle of nowhere, there's no need to send out an SOS just yet. Attach the included clamps to the jump starter and connect them to the battery's terminals. Push the power button, wait for the green light, you're ready to start your car and get back on the road. With the AstroAI jump starter air compressor in your kit, you'll be set to tackle everything on and off the highway. Drive with peace of mind and join AstroAI on all of life's adventures.